But again po, it's a total lifestyle. Pag tinatanong po ako, what do you do? It's really a total lifestyle. Aside po from the multivitamins, which takes care of from within. Of course, our skin is the largest organ, so I take good care of it. But also my lifestyle po, I really try to take good care of myself because I take good care of a lot of people. If I'm not healthy, how could I take care of a lot of people? So I keep po a very strict in terms of strict, hindi naman po diet I actually eat whatever I like in moderation. I exercise every day. It's a minimum of 10,000 steps every day. I make sure that I am moving. And it's every day. I do not miss a single day. I try to sleep 8 hours in a day po. So those are the things that it's a part of a holistic lifestyle po that I have been observing for many years. I'm not perfect, okay? I indulge once in a while, but I make sure po that I will also be a good example for this brand because being po the GM or an employee of Yusana, you represent the brand. That's the truth.